What's the best way to combine complex technology with simple handling? How to balance optimal aesthetic with the needs of individual users? Today, we are introducing the new Bloomden Sintering vacuum to the new fire system. In this video, we will clarify the feature of KF1. KF1 is equipped with efficient power unit. The output voltage can be controlled to reduce the driving voltage. Please notice that the power unit must be placed in a well-ventilated and dry place. Besides, KF1 can place 60 and 45 mm tray and centering 5 to 10 restorations at the same time. This design greatly shortens the single centering time. The maximum temperature of KF1 can be set to 1530 degrees Celsius, and the maximum heating rate is 200 degrees Celsius per minute. You can set and save temperature curve, then it can meet all the zirconia centering temperature requirements perfectly. KF1 equipped with high-purity silicon carbide rod can maximize the furnace work life. The pro-drying time can be set for baking the zirconia denture. We can avoid the porcelain cracking by this process. KF1 comes with a portable size. It's easy to operate and move.